Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's weigh-in Wednesday, weigh-in Wednesday, weigh-in Wednesday, weigh-in Wednesday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this series, weigh-in Wednesday, see if we can get it right there, weigh-in Wednesday, is about my weight loss journey and me wanting to share that and document that for pretty much like ever. So I want to share it with the world, and I want people to join in with me and share their journey and their experience and the things that they're doing to reach their body goals. Because that's, like, I'm tired of this. We hitting that goal 2020. No more procrastinating. No more, I want to lose weight, but can I get that donut and the pizza and a slice of cake? But I want to lose weight. No, we're not doing that no more. No more. We're not procrastinating. No more BSing. Let's be healthy. Let's strive for greatness. All 2020, strive for greatness. Come on. But yeah, so that's pretty much the goal of this series, is to document, like I said, my weight loss journey. And let's go ahead and get into that. Let's talk about what we doing. So currently, I have been doing the keto diet for like a week and a half now, something like that. But I think it's going very, very well. I'm seeing some really great results, and I'm obviously going to share that with you. So my official first start of my weight loss journey, I started first day of the year. So January 1st, 2020, I weighed myself, even though I actually didn't start the diet, but it's okay. Baby steps. Don't judge me. Baby steps. I made the decision. That's all that matters. I made the decision, and we start putting things into action. So January 1st, 2020, made the decision that I am achieving my weight loss goals this year. Nothing is stopping me. We going in. No more procrastinating. No more letting my emotions determine what I eat. Because that's a big one for me. Because if I'm having a bad day, bro, I need cake. Don't talk to me. Don't say hi to me. Don't say bye to me. I need cake. I don't want to see your face unless you are the cashier lady at Nothing But Cakes. Shout out to them. I love their cakes. If you have one in your city, your town, whatever, you need to go there, because them cakes, amazing. Just amazing. That's all I got to say. Amazing. Anyway, but having a bad day, bro, I need cake. I don't even come home. I literally get off work, drop straight to the store. Straight to the store. No, don't talk to me, no nothing. Can I get 3, what did I call it? The small ones. But can I get 3 buntlets, please? I need a confetti, a marble, and a chocolate on chocolate. That's my go-to. Don't judge me. Because yes, I get 3. I probably eat 2 that same day and eat 1 the next day, just to make sure I was feeling better. But all jokes aside, we're not doing that no more. No more. So let's get right into these goals. So I have some really big goals that I'm trying to hit here. So my body goal is a person, because I think she is gorgeous. So my body goals are Tiana Taylor. Let's insert a picture. Oh baby, she's so pretty. Like, look at them abs. She like, ew, ew, ew. 1, 2, 3, just in there. Body goals. Look at that. Look at that. And she done had a kid. Bam. Look at that. No excuses. None. But that's body goals. Right there. All that. All that. All that. She is all that. But that's what I want. And that's gonna be me. I've already put it out there. It is mine. I'm claiming it. Me and her finna be twinsies. What? She might be taller than me, but that's okay. Still, twinsies. Let's go. So, that's my body goals. And the goal is, so that's the body goals. That's by end of this year. So, December 31st, 2020, bam, that should be me. Scratch that. Bam, that's going to be me. That will be me, claiming it. So, other goals. When I weighed myself on the 1st of January, I weighed, 182 pounds. 182. Heaviest I have ever weighed in my life. And I kind of knew it because obviously you see it, but I was low-key in denial. And I was like, nah, I ain't finna step on that scale. It's gonna tell me something I don't wanna know. This is the thoughts I was having in my head. It's gonna tell me something I don't wanna know. I ain't ready for that. I don't need to know that right now. I don't need that type of negativity in my life. That was the stuff I was telling myself. I don't need that type of negativity in my life. But is it really negativity though? Just because it was information that I didn't want, so I just didn't want to face the truth. And that's the sad part about it. I didn't want to face the truth about it. So I would sit there and tell myself, nope, that's negative. I don't need that type of negativity in my life. That was my go-to phrase for a lot of stuff. That's drama. I don't need that type of negativity in my life. So finally did it, 182, and no BS, I was crying. Like, I'm low-key a sensitive person. Don't sit there and try to play me though. I'm low-key a sensitive person. So easily could have been just my emotions, it was just too much for me. But definitely shed some tears over the fact of being that heavy. So that was the point where I decided I'm doing this, no more BS. Like, this is not the way that I'm supposed to be. So made the decision. We started putting things into action, and we'll continue to get into that. But was 182, so I decided that my number goal was going to be 130 pounds. Yeah, between 125 and 130 pounds. So that means I had to lose over 50 pounds, 52 to be exact for you numbers people, over 50 pounds to reach the minimum of my goal. So I was like, okay, so what is a good time frame to lose 50 pounds? So me and my boyfriend agreed that 10 pounds a month was a safe bet. So I am supposed to be at 130 by August 1st, 2020. So that is the goal. We gonna reach it, claiming it. Body goals, mine, me and Tiana Taylor, twinsies, like I said. Don't be hating. Don't be hating. So now let's get into how we are achieving these goals. So the first was a Wednesday. That's when I first weighed myself. So that following Monday, so the 6th, was when we implemented our diet. So we decided to do the keto diet. And our goal, because if you know anything about the keto diet, there's a lot of variations in it. So obviously no sugar and low to no carbs. 25 to 30 grams of carbs per day is our goal, and we have been doing this for, like I said, a week and a half. It's going pretty well. I like it. It is, I'm not gonna lie, if you're not like purposefully looking for things, like different meals, it can get a little repetitive of what you're eating and kind of boring in the food. But you just gotta like really do your research and search for some stuff. As well as doing that diet, I have been working out. The goal for me working out is to do at least 5 days to work out, at least 5 days out of the week. First week I only hit 4. I'm not even gonna lie. First week I only hit 4. This week I'm at 4. It's so hard because the only time I have is to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning and to work out before work. And when you don't go to bed until like 11:30 midnight, waking up at 5 is real rough. I should be like, whew, is it worth it? And then I think of my twinsies vision with me and Tiana Taylor. Like, yeah, all right, let's get up, let's go. Really have to motivate yourself to wake up that early. But I definitely know that it's going to be worth it. And as well as eating right and exercising, I have been drinking at least 90 fluid ounces of water every day, which is a lot. So the easiest way for me to do it is I have this 48 fluid ounce water bottle, but I mean, you don't necessarily have that one, but it just works for me because it's longer fill up times. I have a 48 ounce water bottle, and I drink 8 ounces or more at the top of every hour. I give myself probably like 10 minutes to drink it, like just in case of like I was busy or like I didn't have my water bottle with me at the time or whatever the case may be. I gave myself 10 minutes to drink 1 cup of water, which is 8 ounces. So I've been doing that from 8 to 8, which if you do the math, that's actually more than what I need. But sometimes I miss like in the morning and closer like after I get off work. It's easier for me to do it while I'm at work. So drink plenty of water. That is the main thing, because that's how fat leaves the body. That's one of the ways that fat leaves the body. I was told back in college by our trainer that you should be drinking half of your body weight in fluid ounces per day. So I was 182. So I was like, okay, bet I need to be drinking 90 plus ounces of water a day. Now let's just go over what my results have been thus far. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm just so extra. I'm a visual person, so I need to see what it is that I'm looking at. I need to see it so I can know, like, am I on the right track, am I not? Because sometimes just seeing the numbers isn't enough for me. So I would have a whole graph back here, and I will actually take a picture and put it like in this area somewhere, possibly, we'll see. But so on the first it was 182. The next weigh-in, so a week later, so that'll put us at the 8th. On the 8th, it was 175, or I weighed 175. So that I had lost 7 pounds. Do that math. I lost 7 pounds in a week. So that's a pound a day, give or take, assuming that all days were equal. But obviously not, because we didn't actually start the diet on the 6th. So, but I was drinking the water. I was drinking the water from the 1st. Because that was something easy that I know I could control. I could start that at any day. This week, or when you guys actually see this video, it will be last week. But that's okay. Screw all that. On the 15th, I was 171. So I had only lost 4 pounds during that week, which was expected, seeing as how the first week is what you're losing usually is water weight. So I wasn't shocked or surprised by that at all. I was happy about it because according to my goal, which is 10 pounds a month, I done already passed that. So we is ahead of schedule as far as I'm concerned. We're ahead of schedule and making progress to that August 1st, 2020, 130 pounds goal. So I'm happy about that. So the things you can expect from this series, just me updating you guys on what my weight loss journey, how that's going. If you guys want to know like some of the meals that we eat, or like how we prep our food, or what my workout routine is, or anything like that, I'm completely fine with sharing that with you guys. So if you want to know, just leave me a comment, shoot me a message, whatever the case may be, and I will go ahead and do that for you guys. Yeah, so that is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Obviously you like this video because you watched it to the end, so you might as well subscribe. So subscribe, and check back in with you next Wednesday.